The Aprilia RSV4 factory is the epitome of modern superbike engineering, a machine that embodies the perfect synergy between cutting-edge technology, exhilarating performance, and racing heritage. At the core of this beast lies a 1,099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production motorcycles on the planet. This engine, paired with an advanced electronics package, delivers an unmatched riding experience that seamlessly combines raw power with refined control. Designed with aerodynamics in mind, the RSV4 factory's sleek and aggressive bodywork features integrated winglets that enhance stability at high speeds, a nod to its Motog-inspired pedigree. Every detail of the bike screams performance, from the sculpted fuel tank to the lightweight carbon fiber accents and the razor-sharp tail section, making it as visually stunning as it is functional. The technology on board the RSV4 factory is nothing short of revolutionary, thanks to Aprilia's Advanced Performance Ride Control, a PRC, suite. This system includes wheelie control, traction control, launch control, and cornering ABS, all of which are adjustable to suit the rider's skill level and preferences. The large, full-color TFT display serves as the command center, providing real-time access to critical performance data and allowing riders to customize settings with ease. The bike also features multiple riding modes: track, sport, and customizable user mode, ensuring that it can adapt to a variety of riding conditions, whether it's dominating a racetrack or carving through mountain roads. The RSV4 factory's Hlin Smart EC 2.0 suspension is another standout feature, offering semi-active electronic adjustments for both the front and rear, which guarantees optimal handling and ride comfort in any scenario. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame, combined with the suspension system, ensures incredible agility and stability, enabling riders to push their limits with confidence and precision. When it comes to braking performance, the RSV4 factory doesn't disappoint. It is equipped with Brembo Stylema calipers and twin 330mm discs at the front, providing exceptional stopping power and consistent performance under extreme conditions. The addition of cornering ABS ensures that the bike remains stable and safe during hard braking, even when leaning into a turn. This emphasis on safety does not detract from the thrill of the ride, but rather enhances it by instilling confidence in the rider. The RSV4 factory's exhaust note is another aspect that captivates the senses. The deep, throaty growl of its V4 engine is amplified by the high-performance Akrapovi exhaust system, creating a symphony of power that is as exhilarating to hear as it is to experience. This auditory thrill is a key element of the bike's allure, reminding riders of its uncompromising nature every time they twist the throttle.